staying out of the rain, buddy? You know that it has food for you. I'm looking for a peanut. Oh, bub. I don't have nothing. You can come check underneath. Maybe there's a peanut under the chair and I can't see it. You're so freaking cute. Yeah, you're probably gonna just scare yourself if you go under there. Thanks for coming to see me. Love you. I'm gonna need a peanut fund or something. Jeez. I'm gonna go get you some cereal, dude. I'll be right back.